welcome back again. This is Teacher Mayet, your forever teacher in this channel. Hi everyone. Mwah. Okay, before I will start in our short discussion or nothing din discussion. Ako lang may magdi-discuss, okay? Before I'm gonna start it, please click the subscribe button, like this video so that you will receive more videos to come and it will enrich your life. You will have the successful tips in book writing, and at the same time, one day somehow you will become a successful author just like me. Let's proclaim ourselves as successful authors because the universe will conspire, guys. Okay? Follow that mantra. Sige. Ano ba? Anyways, for this video, before that,